How to fix ongoing device setup on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix ongoing device setup on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you have to assure that you have the stable internet connection on your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to open your Wi-Fi or cellular data. So from here, you'll have to confirm it. And after you confirm, you'll have to just back from here. And from here, type on general. Okay, so from the general section, you'll have to scroll down and go the option VPN and device management. Alright, so from this section, make sure that you are not connected to a VPN. So you have to turn off the VPN on your iPhone. So after you done this, you'll have to just back from here. And from here, you'll have to again swipe off on your screen. And from here, type on software update. Alright, so from the software update section, make sure that you have the updated version of iOS on your iPhone. So from your type on update now to update the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So after you complete this, you'll have to just back from here. Alright, so now from this section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go with the option shutdown. So after you tap on that option, you'll be able to restart your iPhone. So after you turn on your iPhone again, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.